Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Let's cook this together. So I have some steak here. It's been resting, that's why it's changing color a bit, and I'm just going to marinate it first. I've sprinkled some salt. You can use any salt of your choice, Himalayan, sea salt, table salt, and I'm also adding some black pepper, and I'm just like rubbing that in. Please, if you have gloves, do use gloves, but I'm used to doing this. My hands are very washed, so that's why I'm using my hands to like just massage it together before I marinate this for about 30 minutes. So I'm just going to cut into my potatoes right now. Normal Irish potatoes. I love these potatoes, and I'm not going to scrape the skin. I'm not removing the skin. Whenever I do pan fried potatoes, I like leaving the skin on, and I'm just going to boil it for a bit till half done because I like it resting for a while. So I have some butter, and I'm adding some parsley leaves and some grated garlic as well. I'm just going to mix this together to toss it because this is what I'm going to be using to marinate my steak further, because like it has a lot of garlic, and well, it's been resting for about 30 minutes in room temperature. So I'm just adding some of this sauce, the butter parsley garlic sauce, into it, and on both sides I'm adding some chili pepper as well because I like a little bit of chili in my steak. And I'm going to leave it again for about 30 minutes to marinate properly, 30 to 1 hour if you ask me. So this is on both sides, and it's just going to rest for a while before I actually start making it. So I'm adding some cooking oil. Use any oil of your choice, some butter. I love using oil and butter anytime I'm making pan fried potatoes. I just love the taste of the butter. That milkiness, that's what I'm looking for. So with my half done potatoes, I'm just tossing them into my pan. I'm adding some garlic again as well. I'm adding some red chili flakes. I love red chili flakes on my potatoes, and it's going to make a lot of difference when you do this. Adding some more parsley leaves which have been chopped as well. And I'm just giving this a gentle toss all together so that it will pan fry for about 8 minutes. Remember that my potatoes are already half cooked, so I don't need to take it too far. I just like cooking it semi way before I pan fry them. This is the way I enjoy my own potatoes. You can pan fry it from the scratch without cooking it. It depends on whatever you want, absolutely. So I've let it for about 8 minutes, and I just want it to like develop a crunch on the outside and to have a little bit of char. And well, I've achieved what I want, and I am taking it away from my pan in order to make my steak right now. So I'm just tossing it away from the pan, every single thing, so that I have room for my steak. And here now, my steak has rested for about 1 hour. I'm just transferring it to the pan. No need to add any butter because you have a lot of butter already on your steak. So you don't need to add any other thing. No butter, no oil is not necessary. By the time you're almost done with this, you will see it has a lot of oil on it soon. So it stayed for 5 minutes before I tossed it over. And I'm just like basting it with all the butter and oil coming out. I'm just transferring this so that it's going to be soaked through. And I had a little bit of more sauce left, which I'm just adding to the top. And yes, it has melted. I'm just basting it more so that I have a lot of rich sauce in my steak. I took this steak far for about 8 minutes. I am African and I don't like it medium rare at all. I like it well cooked, guys. So my meal is done. My potatoes and my steak. A simple dinner dish, if you ask me. Just when you're looking for some kind of variety, something to change the momentum. So let me just cut it for you guys to see how far it went. This is well cooked, guys. You can see it's well cooked, and this is the perfect way I like my steak. I don't like it medium, I don't like it rare, I like it well cooked, as you can see. So that's it from me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.